Hey guys, Coach Kirkshinta here. Welcome back to another video. In this video today, this is another Infinity Processing System review. And in this video, I want to show you proof of my results and others' results. I want to explain how this works to really help you with affiliate marketing and get free traffic and sales to your business. So what I want to start off doing today is showing you proof that Infinity Processing System actually works, because that's what I'm answering in this video is, does Infinity Processing System, does the training and the strategies work? So today, just a few minutes ago, it's 12:14, and I just got a commission 8:45 p.m. You can see on my clock here, at least the bottom of it is 9 December 14th is 9:10 p.m. Okay. At 8:45, I got a $200 commission from another program that I'm promoting passively. Okay. Now, how did I get that? Okay. So the way that I got it is the Infinity Processing System. If you don't know what it is, it's a digital training platform where you also have the ability to make commissions as a reseller of this digital product, where a six-figure earner is giving the step-by-step strategies on how to build and promote your affiliate offers, whatever you're promoting, using free organic strategies, using free traffic, using Facebook, using things like YouTube, using things like Instagram. It doesn't matter the strategy on how to promote on these platforms, to literally use attraction marketing and attract people to you rather than chase people. That's what she's teaching. Okay. So what I do is I come into this platform and I literally apply her YouTube strategies. Okay. She has a strategy on here, how to generate 2 to 5 sales a day on automation. She shows you how to set up your business by literally having a funnel which introduces people to the things that you promote, including Infinity Processing System. Okay. And everything is step by step. You have access to a coaching group, you have access to a Facebook proof group so that you're supported. You don't just have training, you literally have access to a coaching group where she's going live and sharing deeper strategies. And you can ask questions in the coaching group, etc. Okay? So these are the things, okay? Literally, you just apply what she's teaching step by step, but don't just take my advice or my word on it, okay? Now, I do want to show you that with Infinity Processing System, I have made over $3,300 with Infinity Processing System as a reseller of the system, right? Making those $300 and $150 commissions that you're in position to make. But what I'm more excited about is the training, because the training teaches you the skill set to be able to do what I've been able to do, which is make income across different affiliate offers by literally applying the strategy. So these are just a fraction of my payments because I do have some in Cash App, etc. But I wanted to show you that I am literally being a product of the product. I learn the strategies, apply the strategies, and I'm able to make these payments to my Cash App, PayPal, Stripe over and over and over again. Okay. Now, we have lots of members on these actual strategies that are in the membership area, and they're getting results from Infinity Processing System. They, are making sales with the Infinity Processing System. They're also applying the strategies and growing their primary business. So if you think about it that way, if you have a primary business, is you're growing your income, because you're not only able to help people who are affiliate marketers or online marketers who want to learn how to solve traffic or visitors to their website, you're able to make $300 and $150 commissions for that. But then if you have a primary business, you know how to promote that too, and you're able to make income with that as well. So then you're essentially growing your income. That is the power of this, and that's what I really wanted to come and show you. So there we have Jenna here. She made a $300 pro level sale. So if you look at our sales page, you'll see that at the pro level, you're able to make $300 commissions. Okay, so that is what the pro level is. You're able to earn 300, 150, and $50 commissions. So Jenna came in, was able to welcome someone, Stanley. Now he's in position. He has access to this amazing membership area where he can learn how to build a better affiliate marketing business and learn to attract people to you, not chase people. And that's what happened to me today. That $200 came in. I did not chase this person to purchase from me. I didn't have to go in their inbox and send them some random spam text message that nobody asked for. I hate when people do that to me. Like they send me messages, oh, here's my opportunity, and then they get defensive when you don't want to take a look at what because I didn't ask you. And that's the beauty of attraction marketing is that I don't have to sit there and spam people in the inbox. I don't have to like convince somebody to take a look at what I'm promoting through my simple videos, whether I choose to show my face or not. I literally put myself and my business in a position to attract people to me who are looking for what it is that I have to offer and to literally transact business with me. And that's what the IPS teaches you how to do, how to attract people to you through simple videos and posts on any social media platform and to put yourself in a position to have people ready to buy from you through your posts and your videos. Okay. So then we have Modesta. She said, yeah, loving the system for sure. On my way to six figures. She made a $300 commission. Congrats to you. We have Pandora had a $600 day. That means she made two $300 pro level sales and she made $600. And then we had Russ. He made, I think it was 150. So he said this came in while watching Jeopardy. This system works, and I want to kind of comment about that when people are saying, "Oh, I made this while I was watching Jeopardy." How are they able to do that? Well, if you look at step number 2 in Infinity Process System, the step number 2 that she teaches you is how to create an automated sales funnel. Okay. If you don't know, that's how I did this, right? I do my simple video. I focus on right here in the training. She has a YouTube, where is it? YouTube automation training. Okay. I focus on just minding my business and doing my little simple videos. Okay. Now, what happens is because I already set up my funnel that she showed me how to do in step number 2, people will go into my funnel and make a decision to buy things, or they'll contact me and be like, oh, I got a quick question. And all I got to do is just, if they don't have my link already to buy, I just send them my link. I'm not convincing people. That step has been removed because of literally learning these strategies. Okay. So that is what other people should, want to learn to do is to get out of the convincing business and learn how to have a business that you literally attract people to you that already want what you have to offer. And all you got to do is just be consistent in this. Okay. So that's pretty much that. So I don't want to talk your ear off. I just wanted to point out that other people are winning with the blueprint, that applying this strategy allowed me to also earn income in another business that has nothing to do with Infinity Processing System at all. And that you don't need to be a guru or have experience. You just have to be willing to, give 30 minutes to hour daily, every single day to your business, taking action, applying these strategies, and all the steps that you need to do are literally here in your Infinity Processing System back office. You even give a 7-day action plan, which is essentially a blueprint of what you should be doing on a daily basis to build authority and convert that authority into sales. So when you join, there's a few things that you're gonna get. You're gonna get access to a branded sales page that looks like this, where it's branded to you. It's gonna help brand you, right? And that's what you want because that helps close more sales, right? Where it's branded to you. People have this is exactly how this sale was made. Someone connected with me on social media. They clicked the button. They connected with me on social media. I was able to give them my link to buy another product that they wanted to buy, and that was pretty awesome. Um, so then how does it work? It explains everything about how it works. You don't have to explain to people. You're going to get access to that. Then you're also going to get access to the membership area when you join, which is going to give you all the training that you need to be able to succeed with marketing on social media via attraction marketing. And you're going to get the ability to earn these commissions. So there's 3 product levels depending on where you position yourself, where you can earn it. $300 commissions, $150 commissions, and $50 commissions. And with Infinity Processing System, you decide how you want to get paid via PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, or Zelle. Anytime you earn a commission, you're paid directly. The company never holds your money, your funds. And the cool part is that you don't have to create this training or this product, right? The product is created for you. That is what Infinity Processing System is. Adriana does all the training. So, as a beginner, when you come in, you don't have to have that pressure being like, oh my God, I gotta train new people as they come in. I gotta do this. No, you don't. It's already done for you. Okay, the website is created for you as well. Okay, and there's no monthly fees. And then again, you have access to that proof group and coaching group, and again, the step-by-step blueprint. So as you can see, our members are taking action and getting results. I've been able to use these strategies to also grow other income streams as well. So if you're looking for a way to earn instant payments anytime you earn, you want to have access to your money, as soon as you earn a commission, then this is for you. Okay, you're going to get access to the step-by-step blueprint as well. I showed you the membership area. So go ahead and click the link below to pick this up. If you get started at the pro membership level, when I send you your getting started right information, I will also send you my daily action plan on how I grow my affiliate marketing business. That's it. Smash that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.